Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to sell your crypto on Bitget. All right, so first one and the easiest method, go ahead over to buy crypto right here, click on buy and sell, and then just click on the sell tab. Now go ahead and select the crypto that you would like to sell, for example, Ethereum. Okay, and then once that's done, maybe you have 5 Ethereum lying around in your wallet. So just select the currency right here, for example, USD. Maybe let's change the number. And if you do have the available Ethereum, you'll have the balance in here. It will just automatically pop the receiving amount in this section. Okay, if you're happy with the receiving amount, well, go ahead and click on receive with. It could be either under your fiat wallet or directly to your Visa. Okay. Unfortunately, though, this is only limited to Visa, the quick sell. But don't worry, if you do have other cards, well, the second option will be your option. So go ahead over to P2P trading, just like so. Now go ahead and click on sell. What do you want to sell? Okay, again, maybe Ethereum. How much? Maybe 5 Ethereum, or make it lower. Or you could just go ahead and browse through the buyers right here. For example, this guy wanted to buy this amount of Ethereum, okay, for this price. Now, if you want that option, just go ahead and click on sell. You continue with the verification process right here if you haven't done so. And then just go ahead and enter. For example, you have a Victoria Bank. Well, enter the details of your Victoria Bank or just bank transfer. Enter your card details, follow simple prompts. And once done, you just sold your crypto directly and the money will be transferred to your bank account. Now, the last option right here is by using the spot market. Okay, go ahead over to trade spot right here. For example, we have Ethereum and you wanted to convert it to USDT. Okay, you have Ethereum here as well, or maybe BGB to Ethereum, LTC to Ethereum. It's up to you. Okay, or you can use the search bar. So just for example, Ethereum to USDT, I'm going to go ahead and select that option, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, click on margin. Now go ahead and click on sell. And how much Ethereum would you like to sell? Okay, and be converted to USDT. Go ahead over to market, by the way, right here, Ethereum, maybe 1 Ethereum, and then just click on sell Ethereum. Okay, and after that, your USDT asset amount right here will update. So after that, you should be good to go. And that is how easy it is to sell crypto here on Bitget. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.